Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Likee in just a few simple taps. Whether you want to clean up your feed or simply make your follow list more personalized, this guide is for you. First of all, open up the Likee app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page, tap on the Me button or the human icon at the bottom right corner. Once you open up your profile section, go to the Following tab at the top of the screen and tap on it. From the following list, scroll through your list and find the user you want to unfollow. Right next to their profile name, tap on the Following button in order to unfollow the contact. Now in the pop-up, click on Unfollow to confirm. Soon after you do that, the person will be removed from your follow list and you won't see their content in your feed anymore. And that's how easy it is to unfollow someone on Likee. Whether you are streamlining your content or adjusting your follow list, it's always good to have control over what you see. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.